Hello everyone, welcome back to one more weekly review of crude oil trading from 6th of August 2018 to 10th of August 2018. So this video review or this trade review. Hello guys, welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back to one more video on our crude oil trading strategy which I have shared with all of you. So this is the review for the trading from 6th of August 2018 to 10th of August 2018. If you haven't watched my crude oil trading strategy video, please go and watch it in this channel. So in this week, crude oil was predominantly in the downtrend and the weekly range for crude oil was somewhere around 253 points. As you can see, on Monday it made a high of around 4813, and coming towards the weekend, that's on Friday, it made a low of approximately 4561 or 4560. As you can see, predominantly crude was in a downtrend, and towards the weekend it was showing some kind of reversal. Unless or until it breaks the 4560 level, we can't say for sure this is in the downtrend. As most of you know that the month of August is predominantly a bearish month, and because of the English summer, the volume of trades which are coming in to the crude oil or in the international markets are relatively very less in the August month. Hence, you can see the same scenario in August as well. If you see the 20-day average volume of crude oil in the last 5 days, which starts here and ends over here for today, this volume is less than the last 20-day average, which is nothing but this specific line. So once you see such a volume pattern, it should ring a bell in your mind which says that we cannot expect any drastic moves on every day, so we need to be very quick in catching our 10 or 15 points and getting out. Okay, so please keep a note about this point. I thought of highlighting this point in this video, and so I have added this over here. So coming to 6th of August, so as you can see, this is our 630 candle. So 630 candle gave a breakout over here. If you had your SLM order placed at exactly SLM sell order placed exactly at 4757 with another SLM buy order placed at 4747, we were sure of getting 10 points on Monday with a 10-point SL. Okay, now let's go to Tuesday. Tuesday, to be honest, the market of crude oil was relatively very flat. As you can see, this was a breakout at 630, and there was no way you could have traded this unless and until you have used any other method to capture this move or this move. There was not much in our strategy to make some money on Tuesday. Coming to 8th of August, as you know, if we believe in one strategy and we stick to it, crude will definitely give us chances to make money. So that was the same on Wednesday. As you can see, on 8th of August, even though it was an inventory day, crude gave a breakout. So this is the 630 candle and this is the opening of the 7 PM candle. Gave a breakout over here, and as you can see, there was a big fall in crude on Wednesday. So what I wanted to highlight over here is, if you believe in one method and you stick to it with very strict trading discipline and risk management discipline, you will definitely make money in this market. But you need to be consistent with your risk management and the strategy which you follow. Just because the strategy is not working on one day, you should not give it up. So what matters is by the end of the month are we in profits or not. So even on Tuesday we made a loss, but on Wednesday we had chance to recover double the amount of money of what we could have lost by using this strategy. If you have used any other strategy, you could have had made money on Tuesday, but using this strategy, or if you are a person who is following only this strategy, Tuesday was a loss. Which is nothing but 7th of August. So coming to 9th of August, as you can see, 9th of August, crude was behaving in a very wild manner. It came down and then it consolidated and then it went out and then it started consolidating. But if you are following this strategy, even I made 10 points using the same strategy on 9th of August. What I did was I marked the high of the 630 candle, which was nothing, high and low. I mean, this is the low and this is the high, which is nothing but 4620. I just had placed one SLM buy, that is stop loss limit order, at 4621, and immediately I have placed a sell order at 4631. Sell order was also stop loss limit order, and immediately as soon as my buy got triggered, I went in and placed my stop loss order for 10 points. And coming to 10th of August, so even on 10th of August, in the morning, crude gave a very good move, which was almost a 45-degree incline. And as you know, this is the summer months. In the US markets, the volume of transactions are relatively less when compared to the other months. The same thing I have emphasized in the weekly volume slide in the beginning of this video. Hence, there was no big breakout which we got, but we did have a chance to make some quick 10 points in this specific candle. So this was the 630 candle and this is the 7 p.m. breakout candle. If you had one SLM buy order at 4654, immediately followed by another sell order at 4664, this candle had enough opportunity to make your 10 points for the day. Okay, so this is it from this strategy perspective. So if you're a guy who is following only this strategy, in this week you had 4 good chances to make profits. Let's take off Tuesday, because as you can see, Tuesday the market was very, it was in a swinging fashion, and the breakout was also very fast. You had 4 chances to make money. And Wednesday, as you have seen in the previous week as well, on Wednesday we had a very good chance to capture this entire move using this specific strategy. So that is it, guys, from my end. We'll meet you some another time with one more new video. Thank you, take care, and all the best.